Okay, I don't want to do right now because exercise 6. So we're gonna talk about add the Windows 10 license to the users. Okay, so same thing, we're gonna log into the user account. I will select one of the user to assign the Windows license. So I am searching from this user role. Okay, so this users I have to assign the Windows license. I have to go to the I have to select the users. Let me wait. Okay, it's loading for me, and click the license. So I think this lab's taking long time. Maybe it's internet issue. Maybe let me check. Let me refresh this. Yeah, some issue with maybe internet. Let me check. So somehow I forgot to mention that while adding the news profile. Okay, when you create the new profile, display name is you can give what is the, for example, I'm going to create the my name. We can give like a Mohammed Moni. If I need to give like a first name, the last names also give Mohammed given name Munif, and the middle names, male nickname also. Location also I can give like something which I am located, and I can give username and the password accountable. This is the account passable profile. Okay, department also training and everything, so we can give that, we can change and you can edit. This is the way. Okay, so here we don't see any license assigned from these users. Okay, so we should assign the license right now. Okay, I have to do one thing. I'm logging to the admin.microsoft.com. I'm using the admin account because if you see the license options, you can see the which are the license has been assigned that, and everything we can check it from there. Here what are the devices has been signed, and you can also check authenticators. If it is authenticators enable, we can check, we can revoke that, we can disable, and then everything we can do that from here. And check, we can check like a groups, what are the groups this user has available. See, it's the engineering, as consultants, and everything administrator units. Okay, so I log the administrator signing, show all. So I'm going to billing. I went to like a license. Under this license, I can see Windows 11 license, enterprise license. So I can edit from here as well. If not, you can add some other way as well. Like I will show you too. Okay, if you want to assign the license, you can select assign, and I can type name is Raul and click. And I don't want to do anything from that. Just assign it. If you want to assign the license multiple, you can go to the active users, do it like select all. Yeah, is something. just click one of I think it's limited, I think. So you can select until and replace, and we can select the license and save it. If you want to unassign that, you can unassign. If you want to keep assign more license, you can also click replace, meaning another license to another license, like a 365 to another uh, license. Okay, now we will went to here license page. See, this users has like a Windows license right now. So up to now we already talk about like a exercise. It's like uh it's a lab 1, we talk about like manage role users. Exercise 1, we talk how to create the new users and how to assign the application admin, that means roles, how to assign the role. The exercise 2, we we have check if we create, if we assign the license role, sorry, not a role, not a license, okay, we can create applications or app or not. Okay, I show that how to, if I eligible, if I give that, if we give the eligible, but we need to give like active users options, and we have to, then only we can create the account. Then after that, the exercise 3, we talk about how to remove the uh, like a assign role. And exercise 4, we talk how to upload the bulk users. And we will talk about how to connect the power source through, we can add the users, and how we can set the, which if we are going to create the new users, how we can add like a default password as well. Exercise 5, how to remove the user account and how to restore the user account. Exercise 6, we will talk how to assign the license from them, Windows, any kind of license.